Okay, so in this video, I will be telling you that how to create your own beauty brand with Mixinmist. So in this video, I will be sharing the company profile and who are we, where we are from. So let's get started. So it is a little introduction about Mixinmist. So in this company, we let normal users or creators or influencers to make their beauty brand without any risk of warehouses, manufacturing and inventory. Okay, so this is our vision and mission. Okay, so this is a very interesting part of this video, the market size in India. So this data is from 2025, and as of 2024, the beauty brand market size in India is estimated to reach 6.45 billion US dollars with a projected annual growth rate. The Indian beauty and personal care market, including cosmetics, already reached 28 billion USD in 2023, and it is expected to reach USD 46.6 billion by 2032. So this has a potential of nearly about 20 to 30% growth per year. So these are some issues that you must be facing while creating a beauty brand in India. So the very first issue is initial investment. Launching a beauty brand often involves significant upfront investment in website development, branding, suppliers, and often in the big MOQs. So MOQ stands for minimum order quantity, that is done by the manufacturer. Second one, lack of professional support. Aspiring makeup entrepreneurs may lack professional guidance and support in establishing and growing their brands. And the third one is limited access to quality suppliers. And fourth, and I think it is a major issue you would be facing, the shipping challenges. The solution in India as of now is Mixinmist. We are India's first and only drop shipping supplier for cosmetics. We have actually partnered with a lots of premium cosmetic manufacturers. So the solution is Mixinmist. Mixinmist provides a streamlined process for creating a personalized makeup brands, offering ease and guidance under one roof. Mixinmist empowers users to fully optimize their makeup brands using our AI-based dashboards, ensuring individuality and creative expressions. With our dashboard, the amount of AI we have used is very high, and you can even create product mockups in our website. Mixinmist offers cost-effective solutions, and the USP of Mixinmist is no MOQs. So if your customer is buying a single piece from you, we will directly ship it to them. Mixinmist provides expertise, resources, and support throughout the brand creation journey. We manage inventory. We give you a fully customizable website on your custom domain, powerful AI-backed dashboard, just like you get a dashboard in Shopify and WordPress. So we have developed that customizable dashboard in the house. There are over 50 features to increase your sales. So this is our value proposition and positioning, go-to-market strategy, business and revenue models. So we operate on a subscription-based model. So our subscription starts from 999 to and goes to 3499 per month. Highest subscription gives you optimized Android and iOS apps for your store, and all the products are 100% vegan, FDA compliant, dermatologically tested and verified. Mixinmist directly ships to your customer with your label. We have partnered with tons of courier providers. So what are you waiting for? Just go to the website, register on the website, select package, set up your logo, and choose from our ready to sale library, and boom, you are good to go. Okay, so this was for the video, and I was Dr. Ashutosh Jha, and I'm founder of Ayurvedology Health Tech Private Limited, and I am a MD Ayurveda doctor. So yeah, so this was for this video, and I hope you get healthy, and I will look into the next video.